Hey guys, brand new study from Moderna yesterday, and a lot of people are asking, are we going to have an Omicron specific vaccine booster? So 3 caveats about this study. The first is that it's a lab study. It's looking only at antibody levels. The second is that this is not actually a study of an Omicron booster. It's a study of a booster for the Beta variant. We'll come back to that. And the third caveat, like with a lot of these studies, is that it's a preprint study. We haven't seen the peer-reviewed version of it yet, so we're going to want to look at that. So why are they publishing a study about a variant that basically is non-existent anymore? The answer to that question is that the Beta variant affected mostly South Africa, as you'll recall. It was a significant variant in that our existing vaccines were not particularly effective against it. So they went out and developed a vaccine called a bivalent vaccine. They mixed the original vaccine against the ancestral strain with a new vaccine that was targeted towards Beta. Of course, by the time they've done the study and published it now, it kind of became obsolete because we have newer variants. But what they found, very interestingly, is that the antibody response with this new bivalent vaccine was not only stronger for the ancestral strain and Beta, but it also produced a stronger antibody response against Delta and Omicron, which is really interesting because those variants didn't exist when they did this study. And how is that possible? Well, the reason for that is that the Beta variant shares a lot of different mutations with the Omicron variant, and probably because they accounted for many of the same mutations, you have some forward protection against other variants that have some of those same mutations. What this means practically for us is that although we can never predict what the next variant is going to be, if we develop bivalent or multivalent types of vaccines that account for many different mutations that the virus has accumulated over time, it is possible that we can develop newer shots, booster shots, that will protect against many future variants. And that's really good news. But until then, let's not forget that right now we're very lucky. Even the original vaccine that's 2 years old now, as long as you get 3 shots, will give you very good protection, over 80% protection from severe disease, even against the Omicron variant. So we're still in very good shape, but this is promising for the future.